Okay, wait, stop scrolling. If you're wearing a red dress this Valentine's, don't do red lipstick. Trust me, it's too basic. Today I'm doing something way more attractive. Soft skin, smoky eyes, glossy lips. The kind of makeup that makes him stare and you don't even try. And look at these golden heart earrings. Tell me this isn't the cutest Valentine vibe ever? So let's get ready together. Step by step, I will show you every product, and by the end, you're going to look soft, glowy, and dangerously pretty. Let's start. So, first things first, skin prep, because no matter how expensive your makeup is, if your skin is dry, it's over. I'm using Cetaphil moisturizer, super light and hydrating, and Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base for that natural glow from within. Valentine's makeup should look juicy, not matte. Today, I don't want heavy foundation, I want skin that looks like skin. I'm using Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation. It's affordable but gives such a beautiful finish. Just pressing it in with a brush, see how natural this looks. Now I'm going in with a little contour, not too much, just very soft definition. I'm using Tipsy Beauty Contour. For Valentine's makeup, I don't like harsh contour. I just want to add some natural shadow so my face looks more lifted and sculpted but still fresh. I remembered my lips were feeling dry, so I quickly applied my lip balm because by the time we reach lipstick, I want my lips to be super soft and smooth. Blush is the real Valentine secret. I'm using Tipsy Beauty Cream Blush in the shade Bouquet of Rose. Look at this flush. It literally looks like I am blushing. So cute. Now I'm going to apply L'Oreal Infallible Concealer to brighten and lift my face. Applying concealer after cream blush and contour helps to remove all the harsh lines. Always blends upwards for that instant snatched face. Now applying little highlighter from the same brand Tipsy Beauty on the cheekbones and nose. That candlelit glow hits different. I am just lightly setting my makeup with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. Very little product I'll be using because I still want that glow, not full matte. And finally locking my base with Nykaa setting spray. This just melts all the makeup together and gives that fresh skin-like finish. Now moving on to brows, I'm keeping them very soft and natural today. Nothing too sharp or boxy, I just want my brows to frame my face without looking harsh. Light strokes, brushing them upwards, that's it. For eyes, we are skipping heavy black smoky, soft browns and champagne shimmer only, something sultry but classy. Smudged kajal makes the eyes look way more seductive. Here I am using a brown eyeliner pencil. For my lips, I am just lining it with a soft brown lip liner and then will apply a nude pink lipstick. Letting it dry, gloss comes later for that juicy finish. Actually, let me add a little more blush. I love that extra romantic flush. Now it's glow time, my favorite part. I'm adding a little highlighter on the high points of my face, cheekbones, nose and a tiny bit on the collarbone. I swear this step just makes your skin look so fresh and expensive. See that glow? That candlelight shine, I'm obsessed. Now that my lipstick is set, I'm finally adding gloss just in the center for that juicy plump look. And to finish everything, I'm locking it in with Nykaa setting spray. This just melts the makeup together and gives the prettiest natural finish. Now we are done and I'm obsessed. And this is the final Valentine glam. Soft skin, smoky eyes, glossy lips, golden heart earrings and a red dress. And yes, before you comment, I know I forgot mascara. I noticed it only while editing. So definitely add mascara here because lashes change the whole game. If you recreate this look, tag me, I would love to see it. If you love this Valentine makeup, hit that like button, subscribe for more beauty, fashion, and get ready with me content. And don't forget to share this with your Valentine bestie. I will see you in my next video. Till then, live happily and stay beautiful.